Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. Today I have the wonderful Nonna Stefanina with me. Say hello to everybody.
Hello everybody.
And tell everybody what we're going to make today.
Torrone.
Your famous Torrone.
Right.
I've seen this on all your cookie trays.
Uh-huh.
You make it for all the baby showers, bridal showers, holidays.
All the time.
Everybody wants this
All
recipe.
the time, yes.
And everybody asks you.
Everybody asks me.
And you're finally revealing your secret.
Right, finally.
So can you talk about the ingredients for this wonderful Torrone?
Okay, you need acetic butter, white chocolate, 2 bags of white chocolate, the small one, marshmallow, 2 bags of marshmallow, hazelnuts.
But you could put any nuts you like.
Yeah, you can even put the almond and everything. Yes, you can put anything you want. And this,
Your secret ingredient.
yes, it's limoncello.
Homemade limoncello.
Homemade limoncello, just fresh made it 2 weeks ago.
Wow. Okay, so let's get going.
Okay. A little bit of this. That's it.
So you want to start with high heat?
No, a little bit higher until the butter then is melt. Then I'm gonna lower again.
Okay, so we're just going to melt some butter.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so exciting. Because when I was researching Torrone recipes, a lot of them are a little bit difficult to make. You have to use egg whites, you have to use honey,
Yeah,
a
it's
candy
very hard.
thermometer. Hers is so simple,
Yeah.
and it's like foolproof.
It's very hard to make the one with honey and everything else. Yeah.
Actually, a friend told me, an expert in Torrone, Pat, remember our friend Pat?
Uh-huh.
He said that it's too humid in the United States or something, and Torrone never comes out good made that way. That's his theory. I don't know.
I try to do
Professore.
that way, but it doesn't work good for me.
This is such an easy recipe. I'm so excited. And it's delicious, this Torrone. Did you start making Torrone here or in Italy?
Here. A long time ago, not a few years ago, a long time ago. I try everything until I get it right. I like to cook. I like more to bake.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I love to bake. Especially new recipe, and I don't stop until I got it right. Now I put the chocolate.
Okay, we got the white chocolate going in. And this you want to melt.
Oh yes, this has got to melt.
But you don't want it too high because if
No,
white
it's going to,
chocolate's
yes.
melting on too high heat, it burns.
It burns. Okay, I'm going to put one bowl of these.
Okay, marshmallows going in. And it's going to melt with the chocolate now.
Mm-hmm. See, you got to turn all the time because if you don't, it's going to
It's going to stick.
it's going to burn. That's the trick.
Keep them moving.
Keep it moving, yes.
So where did you learn this Torrone recipe?
I was over my friend's house in New Jersey, and she was making Torrone. That's where I learned.
Oh, and you were like, oh, this Torrone looks good.
Yeah.
Second bowl of marshmallows going in.
Okay. Now, all together, it's got to melt.
And it's a little bit of a slow process, but it gets there.
Yeah.
So you want to be careful to not do this over too high heat.
No, not because it's going to burn everything, and then you got to throw it away.
You got to have a lot of strength to make Torrone.
Oh, yeah. You got to be strong.
You work out?
Not really.
You just make a lot of Torrone.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to put the,
So once it's mostly melted down, you see a few marshmallows still, but now
I'm going to put the lemon jello.
the secret ingredient. So could you use another
Oh yes,
alcohol,
you can use
like
anything you
amaretto,
love.
whatever?
Amaretto. The last time I made, I used Strega.
Ooh.
Because I don't
Strega's
have a
good.
lemon gel, I put some of them in it. That's good.
Oh, that's good.
See, it smells good.
Oh, yeah. Homemade limoncello always makes everything better. Look at how nice and smooth that is now. And I smell the limoncello so much. Good work. Good strength. So how do you know when it's done?
When you see this white thing over here, it means the marshmallow, it's not melt. Yeah.
Okay. So until it's totally smooth, you just keep
Yes,
stirring.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay. And these are just some toasted hazelnuts. She toasted them and removed the skin. They so that's not a deal breaker. You can actually buy pre-toasted hazelnuts with the skin removed. You can use a totally different nut, but this has a nice toasted flavor to it.
Okay.
Okay, and this is gonna come over here now. So we have just a baking sheet that we lined with plastic wrap, and we put a layer of wafer paper on the bottom, a wafer sheet. Now you can get these on Amazon, or if you have a candy supply store, sometimes they have them as well. And you're just gonna spread the hot torrone on the wafer sheet. Wow, that looks so good. And you can actually smell the limoncello in here. Again, you could use a different liqueur. You can use amaretto. Anything that's a little bit sweet will work, but this smells fantastic. And I can't believe how easy this was.
It's easy. It's very easy.
Stefania is very modest, but she's a master of Torrone. Now what do you have to do? You got to make it nice and even?
Yes, nice and even.
So even if it goes off the sheet,
Doesn't
it's
matter.
okay?
Yes, it's okay.
So she does this on purpose. You want me to hold this side?
Yeah, okay. Good.
She does this on purpose so that the plastic will hold the torrone in the shape that she wants it. This is actually very smart. And then you put the other sheet right on top. Look at that. Because you don't want your torrone to be all shangat, right?
No, it's got to be all even.
All even. Shangat torrone.
Shangato, no.
No.
No
good.
shangato torrone. Okay. So, this goes like that.
Okay. I'm going to wrap it up like a baby now.
Mm-hmm.
Wrap it up all tight like a present. Like a delicious present that has torrone in it.
Same thing over here.
And if some of it doesn't all fit inside, it's okay.
Oh, that's okay because you know when it's cool off
Yeah.
at the end, you cut
cut
whatever
you
it's
trim the
come-
edges
yes,
anyway.
Yes, that's it. It's not big deal. But I try to make fit everything inside. Okay.
Wow. That is beautiful. So like neat and compact. And
That's Torrone.
now all this has to do is cool.
Cool.
Cool in the fridge?
I'm going to put it in the fridge. I'm going to put some weight on.
Okay.
This way it will still
Put like the Bible on top,
No Bible.
the encyclopedia.
Whatever I had, whatever I have in the refrigerator, like a bottle of water, a bottle of this,
Okay,
Okay,
perfect.
that's it.
So you want to cool this
Done.
overnight in the fridge, put some weight on top, and that's it.
Done.
And then when you take it out, it looks like this.
Like that. You can cut if you want some of this.
Yeah. Of course I want some. What are we here for?
Okay, what is it? Okay.
Look at what a perfect brick of Torrone this is. Oh, maron. Wait, how do you cut? You cut diagonal pieces or you cut straight?
Oh, any way you want.
What's your style?
I do.
You
Angle.
do angle. Okay, I gotta do it like you.
You know,
do.
you got to do like, you got to make slice like that. Maybe this
okay.
one, it's already done. No, okay. Just cut here,
Okay.
and then you make angle.
Ooh, this is hard to cut.
Want me to do it?
Hold on, wait. I don't want to mess it up, but
You don't miss it. While you do this, can I put this aside?
outside. Yeah.
In the refrigerator?
Can you, 1 second, and we'll taste some
Okay.
Torrone first.
All right, let me wash my hands.
The Nonna is always in a hurry
Not in a hurry. I don't want to get cold over here, and then it won't stick the way it
to
should.
compromise the Torrone. Okay, and now you cut little pieces, right? You cut
Yeah.
these into little pieces.
Yes.
Okay.
It's up to you how big you want.
Wow, and you have adorable toroncini now. It's like you could even wrap these up in pieces of foil or something cute, like little papers, and make them little candies for people. Oh my God, this is awesome. I want to do this all the time. Wow. These are gorgeous.
Okay.
You gonna taste one too?
Sure, I will. I taste this one.
You gonna taste the ugly one?
That's good.
Okay, because she doesn't want to waste it. So good.
If I start to eat this, I can eat all of that.
This is delicious.
It's like potato chips. The more you eat, the more.
This is delicious. And it tastes very similar to the nougat made with the egg white and the honey. This was so much easier, so user-friendly. I love, love, love this recipe. Thank you for sharing this recipe with everybody. And I know everyone's gonna make Torrone because of you.
Very nice. See?
Thank you for being my Nonna today.
Okay.
Mwah. Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.